Excitement bubbled among the friends. "This is incredible," Sam exclaimed. "We have our own treasure hunt." Using the maps and compass, the friends embarked on their adventure. The first map led them to the Willowbrook Forest, where they discovered an ancient tree with a hollow trunk. Inside, they found a small pouch filled with shiny, colorful gems. The second map guided them to the old mill by the river. Hidden beneath a loose stone, they uncovered a beautiful, ornate locket with a picture of a family from long ago. The final map took them to the highest hill overlooking the village. There, they found a buried chest containing a journal filled with stories of past explorers and their incredible discoveries in Willowbrook. Through their journey, the friends learned about the history of their village, the importance of teamwork, and the joy of discovery. They also realized that the real treasure wasn't just the gems or the locket, but the adventure itself and the memories they made together. As the sun set over Willowbrook, the friends sat on the hilltop, the mystery box and its treasures beside them. They knew that this was just the beginning of their adventures, and that the world was full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. "To more adventures!" Mia cheered, raising the compass high. "To more adventures!" the others echoed, their hearts filled with excitement and wonder. And so, the friends of Willowbrook continued to explore, dream, and discover, always ready for the next mystery that awaited them.